Let's start by understanding what a supply chain really is. At its core, a supply chain is the network of people, organizations, resources, and technologies involved in the production and delivery of a product or service. This includes everything from sourcing raw materials to manufacturing, warehousing, transportation, and finally, delivering the product to the end customer. Every link in this chain plays a crucial role in ensuring efficiency and timely delivery. However, with so many moving parts, vulnerabilities naturally arise. Any disruption, whether it's a delay in raw materials, a breakdown in transport, or a regulatory change, can have ripple effects across the entire system. This interconnected nature means that risks can quickly escalate and affect multiple stages. For instance, a single supplier failing to deliver a key component can halt an entire production line. That's why understanding the evolution of these risks is essential for effective risk management.